Hello and welcome to EveryDadDIY. I'm Gavin. Today we're going to be making some Halloween decorations. We're going to make some spooky ghosts for the garden, so stick with me and let's get started. Okay, so I just want to take a second to talk about a problem that I'm having with my jigsaw blades. So I went and picked up some new wood bits, or wood blades. So you can see there, it says wood right there. It's got the right shank, fits my jigsaw. But when I started to cut with it, it was hopping and bouncing all over the place. I couldn't cut with it. And when I compared it to my old blade, the teeth are going up on my old blade, up toward the shank. And on the new blade, they're going down away from the shank. Now this causes it to bounce and hop really bad, so I've had to put in my old blade to finish cutting up. Maybe somebody can let me know in the comments why you would use this bit or what it's for. Okay, so that brings us to the end of our video. As you can see, making these ghosts is very simple and it works really well too, and you can do them for pretty much free if you have a pallet lying around, or you can only get them for free off a building site. And yeah, so thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.